Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. I got something a little different for y'all, not your everyday smoker here at TMG. Now this is from a man, Marcus Stokely with Wells Station Barbecue. Now Marcus has been a good customer and friend of ours pretty much since the start. He's had multiple TMG pits and he's ready to go to the big league. So he called us up and said, guys, I'd love for y'all to build me a concession trailer for me to prep in, serve out of. We said, brother, we got you. So this is what we did for him. Now this is a 22-foot, 8.5 wide, big boy trailer right here. We got mini split AC generator up front. Now Marcus did get it all logoed up, looks slick. We got him a 5-foot serving window here out the side on the passenger side. It does have 4 LED floodlights on the exterior of it. Got dual 100-pound propane tanks back here in the back. Pop open the door here. We got an extra wide stepping up in here. Now this is where the magic happens here. So fully finished out on the inside. We've got 1 stand-up refrigerator, 2 tabletop, 2 warmers. We got a propane powered steam table here, little prep shelf on both sides, 48-inch propane griddle. Got a 6-burner stove with oven in the bottom, another warmer up here. Of course, you got your 3 wash sinks here and your hand wash station off to the side. Got your mini split up here. Lots of storage inside here, guys. We sat down with Marcus, kind of drew it up with him. This is exactly the setup he wanted. So we got him hooked up. He is ready to cook some food now, let me tell you what. So guys, this is Marcus' setup. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built or a custom trailer, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.